Hey guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about no makeup look and how I created and how I did this look. So if you are interested, keep on watching, and if you are not, then why did you click on the video, huh? That this no makeup look is all about enhancing your natural features. We do not want to look like a whole different person, and we do not want to put heavy makeup and change the whole way we look. It's just about making our face look a little more healthier and a little more fresh by adding a little bit of makeup. Everybody has different type of choices in their makeup. Everybody has different type of skin. Everybody has different preferences in the look that they want to achieve. Everybody wants to achieve a different look, so everybody needs different steps. So I'm going to tell you guys how you can create your way to do it, and how you can, get to know your skin, how you can choose products, and create this quick and easy process to achieve a no makeup look. So keep on watching. I hope you like it. Get ready to see me without makeup, okay? The first thing that we all need is a primer. Even if you are going to use a BB cream, a CC cream, whatever fits to you, you really do need a primer. And for primer, it doesn't really have to be a very expensive or a particular primer. You can use a moisturizer that fits your skin well. It actually is up to you. You need the product that your skin accepts. You can use any primer of your choice according to your skin type, and if you don't even have a primer, you can just use a daily face cream, sunscreen, or even a moisturizer. It's definitely up to you. You do not have to spend money on a primer if you are a beginner. So for my primer step, I'm going to use this Himalaya Glow Kesar face cream, and I'm basically going to put it onto my T-zone and also onto my skin. Like, that are the main areas for the primer for me. You can put it on your problematic areas where you have, textured skin or more fuller pores. Mostly people have them on here, so do it here. So we are going to use a very minimal amount of product, which are really important. So for my next step, I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. I'm just going to skip my foundation part. If you do not mind wearing a lot of product on your face, you can use a foundation. I personally don't prefer foundation on a daily basis because it gets really, heavy
on the skin. I do not like it. If you like it, go for it. But if you are using foundation, concealer and all of it, then your skin might look a little bit cakier and it won't look as no makeup. It won't look very natural and healthy.
So I'm going to take this Maybelline concealer for my under eye area and for here, and you can just put it wherever you have some problems. And to blend this out, I'm using this wet beauty blender so that it blends well. Concealer is done. I'm going to quickly set it with some pressed powder. You can use a loose powder. It just powder is, I feel, needed. You don't have to bake the whole thing, but you need a little bit of powder because nobody likes a wet feeling on their face. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder for my powder, and I'm just going to put a very little amount of it over here. And I also feel that powder, you know, helps your makeup to last longer. So I'm just going to set my face. So now that we are done with the powder, we are going to do our eyebrow or eye makeup if you want to do. It's like optional. If you have already a fuller looking brows, which I clearly do not have, you can just skip this part and you can go on to the eyeshadow one. So I'm not going to make them look very dark because I want to have that natural feel. So I'm just going to fill them in to make them look a little more visible. Done with the eyebrow. Now I'm going to add a little bit eyeshadow. I do not want to have a lot of it, so I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm going to take this eyeshadow
and I am going to put it onto my crease.
That is it. Now I'm going to put this highlighter, which is actually broken. So I'm going to put a little bit of it on my eyelids, a little bit on my brow bone, and a little bit on the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a skin color eyeshadow, like a nude eyeshadow, and I'm putting it over here. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply the mascara. I'm not going to put the fake eyelashes because that would be just too much for a no makeup look. I'm just going to put some highlighter. I'm going to apply the same one that I used on the eye. It's really very light and I like it. Now we are going to move on to the lips. Now your lip color is something that you decide. If you want to wear a very bright bold lipstick, then you can just go for it, but it won't of course look very no makeup look. But if you want a very light finish of pink or red on your lips, then you can just do what I'm going to do. Or even if you do not want to put lipstick at all, you can just, you know, go with a tinted lip balm or a lip gloss. So I'm going to take this lipstick by Nykaa. Now I'm going to apply a little tint to my lips with this lipstick. I just dot it on randomly and then I smudge it with my fingers. And there you go, it's done. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below whatever you think about it. If you are going to use something else, then let me know. I would love to know. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you not miss any other update from me on YouTube. You can follow me on my Instagram. The username is this. Share it with your friends and family, and yes, do all the good stuff.